Hi, this is Rick Hunsicker. I'm the president and founder of Hunsicker Consulting, and we are a company that provides services for seniors and senior living communities and focus on the issues of what is really best for seniors today, especially those that own older homes. And the reason that I'm doing this presentation today is to give you some highlights of a presentation that I do for seniors across the United States about the issues of home ownership versus living in a senior living community. And the reason I do this is because of my passion to help people like you, especially if you're a senior 75 or older with an older free and clear house. I want you to have the best information to make the best decision for you. Again, the motive of this is I'm a heart transplant recipient. 3 years ago, got a new heart. And when I was laying on my deathbed, I thought, oh my gosh, what are you going to do when you get the new heart? And I said, I'm going to help people have the best possible lifestyle and give them education based on my 25 years of senior living. Now, I cover quite a bit in the seminar, and there's not time to do that in these short video clips, so I'm going to go ahead and break this down into 6 sections so that you can choose to look at whichever ones you want. And the 6 sections that we're going to break this down into are the issues of your lifestyle, the issues of your health, your fitness, your security, your socialization, and your financial situation. So we will move forward and to cover one of these sections right now. Okay, so let's talk about the financial implications of homeownership for somebody 75 and older with a paid-for free and clear house. And some of the things that I talk to seniors about in my seminars across the country is, one, the lack of control that they have over the value of their house and that large amount of money that is invested in that real estate asset. And there's some great risks that a lot of people don't think about. Number one, the lack of likely appreciation in the future. The experts like Zillow.com and others say that real estate prices may continue to go down through the balance of 2011 and then will probably level out and stay flat for the next 3 to 5 years. Now, as you can see on the chart over here, real estate was a great investment in the 1990s and the early 2000s, but as you can see over here, prices have really gone down and may go down a little bit more and then will level off. So it's not a good investment from one standpoint, and it's not likely to be a good investment going forward. And then the big control issue is, if you live in a typical neighborhood where maybe there are families who have jobs to lose, and they do lose a job, and let's say that one of your neighbors goes into foreclosure and the bank takes back the house, and let's say that you're in a neighborhood that's a $300,000 neighborhood and your neighbor goes into foreclosure, the bank takes the house, they don't care what they sell it for, and they sell it for $250,000. Now there's comparable sales in that market of $250,000, and all of a sudden the value of the neighborhood and your house as well has gone from $300,000 to $250,000, boom, overnight, because of the foreclosure situation. So that is one of the big issues related to owning a house today, plus the fact that if you took that money and sold your house now and invested it, if real estate's going to go down, you can get a CD for 2.4%, a jumbo CD for 5 years. And I talked to people literally last week in my seminar that got 6 to 12% return on their investments last year. And if you have $100 or $200 or $300 or $400,000 tied up in a house that's going down in value or flat at best, why would you want to keep a hold of that house? Well, I hope this section has given you something to think about, whether owning a house today for someone 75 and older, especially when you have the house free and clear with no mortgage and all that money tied up in it, is it really buying you what you need today. So if you're saying, okay, maybe we are interested in selling our house, I have some information to get you educated on becoming an educated home seller. There's a new service called Senior Relocation USA. It is a partnership with the world's largest relocation company that helps 31,000 people every year across the United States buy and sell homes. And they will provide you at no cost or obligation to you access to 2 carefully screened real estate professionals who will come to your house and provide you at no cost an education and an analysis on the value of your home, what it would take to sell your home. You're under no obligation to use either of them, but it would provide you the information you need to make the best decision to you. So please check Senior Relocation USA or call 800-237-8877 and talk to one of their real estate counselors. Thank you for listening to this video.